Welcome to Ask Dr Gearhead. Today's question is, how often should I change my oil? For decades, the 3,000-mile oil change interval was promoted by the auto industry. It was also adopted by the quick lube market, ensuring a steady flow of customers into their garages. However, improvements in motor oil performance and engine technology have since rendered that 3,000-mile oil change guideline outdated. When or how often you should change your oil depends on a few basic factors. Number 1. How you drive. Does your driving fall under normal service or severe service? If your driving habits include frequently driving short trips of less than 10 miles, driving in hot weather and stop-and-go traffic, driving at low speeds of less than 50 miles per hour for long distances, driving on gravel or dirt roads, or roads that have salt or sand spread on the surface, or if you tow a trailer or transport items on a roof rack or a car top carrier, then like most motorists, your driving is considered severe service. Severe service is rough on your engine and oil. Vehicles driven under severe service require more frequent oil changes. Number 2. What oil change interval does your vehicle's owner's manual recommend for your particular driving habits? That's a great starting point for determining your ideal oil change interval, and is a much better approach than blindly following the old 3,000-mile service recommendation. Number 3. Which motor oil do you use? Most oil manufacturers advise you to follow the oil change recommendation found in your vehicle's owner's manual. If that's what your oil manufacturer recommends, it's probably best to follow that advice. After all, an oil change is much cheaper than an engine replacement. However, not all motor oils are created equal. Some advanced synthetics perform so well that they can safely protect your engine far beyond what is specified in your owner's manual. Using an advanced synthetic motor oil can give you more options. For example, using AMSOIL synthetic motor oil gives you 3 different options to choose from. 1. The OE recommended oil change interval. 2. XL lets you change your oil up to 12,000 miles or 1 year. Signature Series offers so much engine protection that you can safely change your oil at up to 25,000 miles or 1 year if you choose to do so. No matter which oil you use in your engine, it needs to be changed as part of routine maintenance. Since the whole idea of maintenance is to keep your vehicle in good working order, why not choose a motor oil that offers the best protection available? To learn more, please visit my website, ultimatesyntheticlubes.com.